In this video we will look at the top 5 best self-balancing scooters available on the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, researching, testing and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality, features, and values when narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Swagtron T580 app-enabled Bluetooth hoverboard. We all have to start somewhere, and this Swagtron model is one of the best self-balance board options for hoverboard enthusiasts of any skill level. The Swagtron T580 has been designed with safety in mind. It's been all certified for its safety, and it has undergone many safety and electrical tests. Some of its safety features include incombustible casing, smart battery management, and patented Sentry Shield technology. You can make your ride more fun with the music of your choice. You can expect a powerful performance with its 6.5 hard rubber tires, 200 watts dual motors, and climb inclines of up to 30 degrees. The best part about this self-balancing scooter is that it can support and carry riders between 44 to 220 pounds of weight. This self-balancing board lets you zig and zag through city lanes, parks, and even muddy puddles, making adventure limitless. The Swagtron T580 is one of the best self-balancing scooters. Number 4. Jetson All-Terrain Hoverboard. This self-balancing hoverboard is one of the most popular hoverboards in the market today. One major reason why it remains everyone's favorite is the amazing battery lifespan. Your kid won't quite get tired of it because there are so many features that provide the best riding experience. The hoverboard is powered by a 300 watts dual hub motor that can handle terrain and inclines without trouble, and a bright LED helps illuminate your path when riding in low light. The Jetson can accommodate loads up to 195 pounds, and you should be able to travel up to about 7 miles on a charge. Overall, it's systematically designed for those looking for hoverboards with high speed limits while providing the best safety on the road. It's also ideal for older kids who want hoverboards with lots of features for longer rides through all types of terrain. You'll feel like you're floating on air with the Jetson Aero hoverboard. And with its active balance technology to keep you level and stable, it's easy enough to wave back at all those onlookers checking your Aero out. This is a ride that lets you feel good and look good. Number 3. Segway 9BS Smart Self-Balancing Electric Scooter. The Segway 9BS Smart is just a beast. It's the next generation self-balancing electric scooter from Segway. Segway is one of the pioneer brands of smart scooter. This scooter meets high standards for fire and electrical safety, which makes it suitable for city rides. It has a waterproof battery that can work in any weather condition. Because of the steering column, it handles differently than typical hoverboards. You turn by squeezing your legs together and applying pressure to turn, which may be easier for riders inexperienced with ordinary hoverboards. It has a smooth ride thanks to large 10.5-inch pneumatic tires and can go up to about 13 miles on a charge. Dual 400 watts motors, weight just 28 pounds with max load of 220 pounds makes it able to reach max speed of 10 miles per hour. Customize rear LED lights, adjust steering sensitivity, speed controls, and more. Download the Segway app for anti-theft function, speed limit and adjustment, vehicle self-diagnose, firmware upgrade, ambient light, vehicle remote control and more. The 9BS is sturdy and durable. Number 2. Giro Hoverboard Warrior. This is a high-quality scooter that is well balanced, safe, and highly convenient. Using it is very easy. You just need to press a power switch, step on it, and you are ready to go. Make your life easier with this electric-powered scooter. This human transporter is the future of transportation. The Giro Warrior Hoverboard is a all 2272 certified self-balancing scooter that comes with a sturdy structure and design. This device is extremely durable, and it allows you to experience a smooth and easy ride across terrains. You can now cruise along with the 700 watts motor that weighs much less than others on the market. You'll also enjoy the 8.5 tires to run right over dirt, grass, and debris. The self-balancing technology used for this hoverboard makes it easier and safer for new riders. Master the art of balancing in minutes. For the music lovers, we have added a built-in branded high-quality music speaker to allow you play your favorite tracks and have the most fun rides. Number 1. Sisigad Hoverboard Self-Balancing Scooter. Sisigad is the perfect hoverboard for off-road riding. It's specifically designed for those looking for rugged scooters with well-balanced tires for difficult terrains. There are over 15 colors to choose from when you decide to get this sleek hoverboard with self-balancing technology. Get it in black, white, blue, classic pink, purple and more, and make a fashion statement every time you go out on your board. Sisigad Hoverboard Self-Balancing Scooter comes with an ABS plastic internal interior that protects the scooter from hard impacts of the rough environment. Its 6.5 high-quality rubber tires, non-slip and shock-absorbing pedals, and can travel in safety, which provides the right balance to help you maneuver your way, and an adventurous ride all day. It's easy to learn for beginners. Kids will definitely love this ride as it provides the right speed needed to enjoy a very long ride. Built-in wireless speakers can be easily connected to portable devices. Just enjoy your favorite music or books without wearing headphones. The board has passed all required safety tests and procedures, and it meets all 2272 safety standards for hoverboards. The hoverboard has many beautiful colors. It's the best gift for kids. So, if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.